Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are heading to a place that's not just a destination but a journey of faith, adventure, and mesmerizing beauty. We are talking about Rameshwaram, a tranquil little island hidden in the Gulf of Mannar off the southeastern coastline of Tamil Nadu. Whether you are a spiritual seeker, a history buff, or just someone who loves a good seaside breeze, Rameshwaram has something special for you. So let's dive in. First thing first, how do you get to this enchanting island town? If you are flying in, the nearest airport is Madurai. Prefer trains? No worries. Rameshwaram is well connected by rail to major cities like Chennai, Madurai, and Coimbatore. Now let's talk about the gems you absolutely can't miss in Rameshwaram. Ramnath Swami Temple. The heart and soul of Rameshwaram, one of the 12 Jyotirlinga temples, is stunning architecture and the 22 holy wells are a spiritual treat. The temple is adorned with beautiful Dravidian-style architecture, intricately carved pillars, and a large, over 6,000-foot long corridor, which is one of the longest in the world. Devotees come here in thousands to worship. Our next destination is Agni Tirtham. A revered beach in Rameshwaram is a sacred site where pilgrims take a holy dip, believing it to purify them of sins and past karma. The waters here are considered divine, linked to Lord Rama's penance in the Ramayana. An interesting fact is that there's over 22 wells nearby which are believed to have unique healing properties. The next in our list is Pamban Bridge. This engineering marvel is India's first sea bridge, the oldest and most important link between Rameshwaram Island and the mainland. Opened 100 plus years ago, it was India's first sea bridge and the second longest bridge in the nation, a famous destination amongst tourists and also history lovers. Next up is the Dhanushkodi Beach. A ghost town turned serene beach, Dhanushkodi, a former bustling port town that was destroyed by a cyclone in 1964. Currently, Dhanushkodi is as if caught in a time warp with broken buildings and streets, a eerie reminder of the disasters of more than half a century ago. Although it has a melancholic atmosphere, people come to experience the surreal beauty and poignant history of Dhanushkodi. Ram Setu is a chain of limestone shores between Pamban Island and Mannar Island off the northwestern coast of Sri Lanka. Had it not been for the heroism of Lord Rama's ape warriors building this rocky chain of shoals, Devi Sita would have been lost forever there in Sri Lanka. The postulation on a scientific level is that it is formation of nature. However, the myth surrounding it will enthrall visitors to visit this historical attraction. Ariyaman Beach. Less crowded and super scenic Ariyaman Beach near Rameshwaram is a serene, lesser known gem with golden sands and calm waters. Perfect for a relaxing getaway, the clean environment and stunning sunset views make it a must visit for travelers seeking peace and natural beauty. Did you know Rameshwaram is one of the rare places in the world where you can see the sunrise and the sunset from the same spot? Now that's a delight you don't want to miss. So when is the best time to visit this magical land? The winter months from October to April are perfect. The weather is pleasant and is great for sightseeing and beach activities. And there you have it. Rameshwaram, with its pristine religious, historical and natural charm, really takes you back into the glorious days of India. Whether you are looking to soak in the divine vibes or just relax by the beach, Rameshwaram has it all. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, plan your trip and let Rameshwaram enchant you with its magic. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such travel tips. See you in the next adventure.